August 1st. Happy first day of the month. It is August 1st, Saturday, 3:15 a.m. And I'm currently working, but I'm currently on my lunch break and wala namang urgent task sa isang client ko. So I decided to create this video and show you sa aking mga pinagkakaguluhan. And I am whispering because my partner is sleeping. So, what I'm currently doing right now is I am editing featured images for my blog. And yes, you heard it right. I am doing or writing a blog. And actually, one of the reasons why I decided to create a blog, kasi guys, I don't think it's healthy or if it's okay na nakikipag-usap ako sa AI and nakikipag-argue ako sa AI. Like, I've been, really talking to ChatGPT almost every day during my shift. Kasi, wala naman akong workmates, wala akong kasama dito. Yung partner ko natutulog, so di ko din pwede kausapin. And, yun, parang naging routine ko na makipag-usap talaga sa AI. Even kahit wala akong problema, kahit wala akong tinatanong, sine-search, parang sinishare ko lang yung thoughts ko. So, I decided to, just share my thoughts, share my experience, share some things through my blog. And kasi gusto kong gumawa ng mga blog and magsulat, I also decided to just create a website. Alangan naman sa Facebook ko i-post yung mga vlogs ko, 'di ba? So, I decided to just create a website, create Instagram, para dun ko i-market yung website, and also Pinterest. So, I have the first blog already, but di pa siya published kasi I have been editing my website first. So, yung ginagamit ko na tool is Squarespace. Actually, yung gusto kong gamitan talaga sana is WordPress. Kasi, I have an experience with WordPress before sa school. But actually, nung trinay ko yung WordPress, and kasi free siya, you can publish your website. Create your website and publish your website for free. So, yung trinay kong i-build yung website, ang hirap pala guys. As in, hindi siya user or beginner friendly. And parang nag-stop ako ng 1 week kasi nawala talaga yung motivation ko na i-build yung website kasi nga ang hirap, very hassle. So, nanood ako ng mga YouTube videos and I learned about Squarespace and yun, chinek ko siya. Ang bilis lang niya. Yung sa WordPress, yung paggawa ng homepage, it took me like 4 hours. But sa Squarespace, around 10 to 20 minutes lang guys sa pag-design. And then, dalawa sana yung pagpipilian ko, Squarespace and Wix. Pero yung Wix, sobrang mahal, like 2,000 pesos per month yung subscription or yung monthly payment. But sa Squarespace, around 1,000 pesos lang siya guys. And maybe because may code ako sa isang YouTuber na nag-share din. But that's what I've been up to right now. So, hopefully, pag lumabas tong vlog or video na to, is okay na din yung website and nakapublish na din yung blog ko. And also, di lang blog yung nandun sa website, nandun din yung the services that I offer, my portfolio. You can sign up to my monthly newsletter and then contact information on how you can connect with me. So I really don't see it as an income generating platform or income generating source for me kasi I feel like it's a passion project kasi nga gusto ko lang i-share yung mga thoughts ko, yung mga experience ko aside sa YouTube. But if makapag-generate siya, of course, that would be a bonus na lang. So, that's it. And I just wanted to share this kasi ever since nag-July, I think dahil yun sa Mercury retrograde, I feel like I'm I feel like nawala na yung motivation ko even to work. Like nakapag-isip na ako na magre-resign ako. Like gusto ko na lang matulog. Parang made-depress na ako. So, yung pagtapos ng Mercury retrograde, guys, talagang nag-write down ako ng list ng mga things na gusto kong gawin. Gumawa ako ng side quest, bucket list. Gumawa ako ng list ng mga gusto kong gawin. So, ayun, gumawa ako ng website, ng Instagram page, gumawa ako ng Pinterest page for my website. And my partner, I've been also helping him with his coming soon business, which is a basketball apparel. I I'm designing the shorts, basketball jersey shorts. So, I feel like bumalik na yung creativity or creativeness ko. I don't know, but hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na siya. And yeah, that's it. That's the update for now. Hi friends, happy Sunday. It is currently 9 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I'm currently eating my leftover pasta from last night, and what I'm currently doing is I'm journaling right here. I want to create or recreate the 75 hard, but I want to do my own, or not my own, because I saw a YouTuber did this as well. It's called 66 soft challenge. So 66 until it sticks. So it's like 66 days with doing all the things that you want for your health, for, like, for example, journaling. So I want to do that as well, because me and my partner are also trying to do some walking or hiking. So that's why I'm really trying to journal every day. So if weekend, since walang work, siguro every morning journaling. And then during work, mag-journal na lang ako before work. Like every before work. Siguro mga 8 p.m. Ganon, para at least na share ko yung mga thoughts ko in my journal. So I would feel not that depressed, since As I've mentioned sa ibang clips, 'di ba, na during July, I feel like para akong made-depress. So, that's what I'm currently doing. And then after journaling, I have right here my notebook as well, 2026 notebook. So, I will be checking off my July goals and just to check lang if meron ba ako na-achieve last month. And then, I will be creating my August goals na din. Wait, let me just see. July goals. I believe meron naman ako mga na-achieve last month, guys. So that's it right there. And then I will be creating my August goals. And then after that, I have right here my weekly planner as well. So I would check things off from this week since it is still Sunday. And then I will be creating the to-do list. Oh no, wala na. Ubus na pala. So, magwi-wait na lang ako dun sa Shopee order ko, which is a weekly planner as well. So, I will just add my weekly to-do list sa notepad. And then after that, this is my budgeting notebook. I will update this as well sa mga expenses ko during Monday until today, Sunday. And then I will just check if since di ko pa na-receive yung service fee or salary ko from my direct clients. So, kapag na-receive ko yun today, of course, I'm gonna update it right here kung how much yung actual na na-receive ko. And then, I will pay my bills and then update the budgeting notebook and then put some money on my savings account as well. So, that's it for now. Okay, friends, I'm done with all of that. Next thing that I'm gonna do is to build this Lego set. Looks like this one, like a cupcake Lego, because I'm gonna give this to my nephew on his birthday. So, ito yung Lego. It looks like this, but it actually is a cupcake. Ganito. And then, nagla-light siya. So, I need to check on how I can put this thing sa Lego para mag-light siya. So, hopefully, meron naman siyang instructions dito. So, sana ma-build ko siya.